Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I have the Motorola Moto G54 5G and I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to this phone. When we go to our settings and then scroll down to storage, we have our storage here and we'll go ahead and insert our SD card now. And for that, we need to find our SIM card slot, and on this phone it's on your left side here. So you can use your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip to open that and then take out this tray. And as you can see, we have our SIM card here, and now we can take our SD card and put that right next to it, and then we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. So now we need to unlock our SIM card again, and if we go to our settings now, go to storage, we have our storage here, and then we can also choose the SanDisk SD card and, well, store our stuff on our SD card. So that's how you can insert an SD card to your Motorola Moto G54 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.